Hey guys, let's see today how to change incoming call interface on iPhone on the latest iOS update. So guys, if someone tried to call you, so you wanted to just show like incoming call as a banner or full screen. So guys, if you want to change the incoming call interface, then just go to settings, and now from the settings page, guys, just try to find phone. Yeah, here you go, phone. Just tap on it, and now guys, from you can see over here incoming calls. Yeah, it's just selected, just tap on it, and now guys, it's by default selected for me as a banner. So here you will get that option as a full screen. So if you want the full screen, just go and just select that one. But I would recommend that better you have to go with the banner, because if you select the full screen, the person who calling you, right, it will come as a full screen, and you can identify that the person who are calling, it comes like a full screen. But if you select that banner, it will show just like a banner, and you can identify that someone is calling you. Okay, so this way guys, you can change the incoming call interface on your iPhone on the latest iOS update. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.